This is the worst part of the van build, hidden or rust. If I don't grind this floor down to bare metal today, the project will fail. Plus, old protruding screws are a massive hazard for my future insulation and flooring, so I have to remove them. There's years of crud, dirt and paint hiding down there, and all of it has to go.
You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone, but you can't leave in a town this small. I moved on, but not too far, just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you cannot run.
Before starting on the rust, I had to deal with the leftover protruding screws. Leaving these is a huge hazard. They will damage the insulation and flooring if I don't get them flush. Many were rusted and just wouldn't come out, so I had to grind them out. Working on an old van is never quick, and this was a true test of patience to achieve a flat surface. With the screws gone, I started the main grind with my wire brush attachments and my cordless, but I was wasting time. Even with heavy physical work for over an hour, I was barely making progress. I was exhausted and the floor still looked terrible. I swiftly realised I had the wrong brush attachment in the cordless, so I actually switched it out and the difference was immediate. The new tool tore through the rust in seconds. The lesson is simple: if a job is too hard, check your tools. With the correct attachment, this job was a lot easier. Honestly, make sure you've got the right attachment. The one I ended up using was like a disc size one. You'll see it in the videos. I started off using like a pointed one. It just wasn't working at all for me. It took a long time to get much of the rust up and a lot of the paint up. The disc one flew through it, as you can see.
Just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you cannot run the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this town stays mine. They say small towns just don't forget. I guess you're right about that. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't leave in a town this small. Don't go too far when it's written in the counting stars. I try leaving, tried it all. You can't leave in a town this small. Yeah. Ooh. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't leave in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't leave in a town this small.
The floor is stripped but unprotected. Next, I'll clean up all the sanding dust to prepare for the 2-in-1 primer. Subscribe to see if we can save this metal, and I'll see you next time.